In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add lined paper to your Canva project. Canva is a fantastic design tool that allows users to create stunning graphics, documents, and other visual content with relative ease. If you've ever needed to incorporate the look of lined paper into your design, whether for a school project, a template you're creating, or just for fun, I'll guide you through the simple steps to do just that. First, you'll want to start by opening your Canva project. If you haven't created one yet, no worries. Just navigate to Canva's website and choose the design template that best suits what you're working on. Once you're there, you're met with a variety of tools and options on your screen, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on the Elements tab. Now, on the left-hand side of your Canva dashboard, you'll see this tab labeled Elements. Go ahead and click on it. This tab is a treasure trove of shapes, graphics, and illustrations that you can incorporate into your project. It's one of those features that really makes Canva flexible and fun to use. In this case, we're going to search for something specific. In the search bar within the Elements tab, type in lined paper. As you hit enter, Canva will start populating a diverse collection of lined paper styles. This is incredibly handy because it means you've got quite a few options to choose from right at your fingertips. Take a moment to browse through the selection. You'll likely spot various designs that differ in color, spacing between lines, or even texture. Once you've found a lined paper style that fits the look and feel of your project, click on it to add it to your design space. It's essential to choose something that complements your other design elements, so feel free to take your time with this step. Once you've added the lined paper to your design, you may need to adjust it to fit perfectly. To do this, click and drag the edges of the paper to resize it according to your needs. Canva makes it simple to adjust these elements so they can align perfectly with your design's layout. This customization ensures that the lined paper doesn't overshadow any other important information or imagery in your project. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully integrated a lined paper design into your Canva project. A few clicks here and a couple of adjustments there, and you can give your document that classic, organized appeal that lined paper provides. Remember, adding little details like this can not only enhance the visual appeal of your design, but also improve its functionality and readability. Thanks for watching and happy designing. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Canva and other design tools.